Mind. Now, how to understand mind? Who is the entity who will understand mind? What will happen if we understand the mind? There is no way to understand mind. It is the background who will understand the mind. It is through the background that we can see the mind. Once we understand the mind, then we can utilize it. Not the mind is going to utilize us. What can be done to activate the background? Words have limits. Mind functions within the limits of words, numbers, sound and pictures. Mind learns to recognize them and then utilize them and even get utilized. We live in a world of mind, a life portrait by mind. Mind wants to live forever. Thus, sensing the uncertainty does all the drama to live. We were neither born of our will nor will die of our own wish. Our problem is how to understand something which is not of the mind. People come and go. Billions of people were born on earth and died. Many tried to explore this spirituality. Few even understood it but could not convince others. Reason is simple. Is there any medium by which it can be discussed with others? What we know is through our mind, which is a limited reflection of the unlimited. How to bypass it and see from the background. Now, in this situation, what should we do? Number one, what we can do is to observe our mind. Who will observe the mind? Who is the entity which observes the mind? It is mind observing mind. What will happen by observing the mind? When we start observing the mind, then at least the random functioning is rationalized. Things are simplified in sets. There is a check on the immaturity of mind. Behavior becomes abnormal to normal. Frustrations and stress are diluted. Once the observation of mind is put to practice and it reaches into auto mode, it forms a habituation. Then you need not to make efforts to observe the mind. Observation of mind is fully automatic and mechanical. There is an amount of sanity and negative emotions like anger and fear are rationalized. After that, we can then start looking at the limitations of the mind. What mind is competent of and what it cannot do. For example, when I say he is Sanjay, word Sanjay is not Sanjay, it represents someone. I say he is bad. Word bad is not bad. Bad represents something which is unpleasant. Now at this stage we start seeing that words is them have no independent power. They are just a medium to represent something or to communicate. Now we start seeing our foolishness, how mad we used to get or feel sad when something said badly to us. That time in anger, we used to fight and defend our mental position. Now we become intelligent to understand that which we were doing was foolishness. After all, the words are nothing except sound for ears. Our mind was just interpreting some sound, and we were fool enough to get caught in the net of words. Words used to hit us more than the sword. Now what happened? We understood the game of words. What are words and why they were made? What are its utility and functioning? Now they don't hit us. We have become intelligent. We have understood the limitation of words, what they are capable of and what not, what they convey and what they do not convey, what is its net. Once there is check on limits of word, we will be able to see how our mind responds to words, its reactions and indulgence. Till now, the words were of complete importance as we were living in the world of words. Now, chains have broken. We have understood the limits of world of words. Similarly, we can check all the inputs to the mind, whether these are eyes, ear, skin, or tongue or nose, how the stimuli hits the receptors of the sensory parts of the body, how does perception and sensation occur, what are feelings and emotions, etc. Once we are able to see the whole mechanism of inputs to mind, there is no reason that the mind is now not uncovered. All the hidden propagandas of mind are unveiled and all its secrets are revealed. Secret is nothing but discovering ignorance. Once ignorance is uncovered, all the truth is out. We have to strip all the ignorance of mind to see it, how it was fooling and ruining our life, how our life was caught by its whims and fancies, how it made us dance to its tune. Suddenly, we will see the light coming out of darkness. Mind no longer should be our controller, but becomes a tool for us. We should use it instead of mind utilizing us.